Recording. वो वहां पे वो जो है ना वाला टीवी के
Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, hello. Let's start,
गुड
guys, with the prayer.
आफ्टरनून
Let's start, guys. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards towards your breath. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field. Take this moment and set an intention for your practice. Let's start chanting one Om together. Inhale. Om. Exhale, release the hands down. Open your eyes. Very good. Guys, let's start with the twisting. So you will sit comfortably. Bring the right hand behind, left hand outside of the right knee. Press, sitting bones down, lengthen from the top of your head and look back over the shoulder and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Opposite, bring the left hand behind you. Right arm up. Press the outside of the left knee, twist from the belly button and look above the left shoulder. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. And we meet in tabletop position. Press with your hands. Good. Lean forward. Bring weight towards the fingers, towards the palms, and center. Shift weight forward. Bring weight towards the palms, fingers engaged, gripping, and center. 3, center. 4, center. 5, center. 6, center. 7, center. Keep pressing palms. 8, center. 9, center. 10, forward and hold. Press the hands against the mat. Engage fingers. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, Come back to tabletop position. Watch me, we will lean forward. Bend the elbows. Bring the chest chin down. Exhale, push. Yes? Let's go. 1. Exhale. 2. Exhale. 3. Exhale. 4. Exhale. 5. Exhale. 6. Exhale. 7. Exhale. 8. Exhale. 9. Exhale. Last one. 10. Exhale. Very good. Now, we will take the blocks and we will do half push-up. Yes, watch me. We'll take the blocks, second setting, everyone. Yes, you bring the hands behind the block. Lean forward. Pelvis in, core engage. And try to touch. 1. Yes. Those who want more, knees a little bit behind, lean more forward. Push and up. But we cannot arch here. Pelvis in, core engage, lean forward and touch. First option is easier. Second option more complicated. If someone wants to do full chaturanga push-ups, go ahead. Otherwise, we go for 10, okay? Let's go. 1. With blocks. Hands behind the block, ladies. Behind the block, not on the sides. 2. 3. 4. Pelvis in, core engage. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Hold it down. 10. 9. Please mute. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Exhale, push up. Very good. Guys, 10 minutes late is not acceptable in my class. I let you in today. Next time it's not gonna happen. You miss prayer and half of the warm-up. Yes, and also it distracts me as a teacher every time I'm here. One person, at least 5, 6 people came late. Please don't. If it's an emergency, something happens, text on the group. So far, no one texts on the group. If I know I let you in, okay, I make space for that. But coming late, if you missed it, you missed it. 5 minutes is the maximum I will allow. Still, you miss the prayer. Yeah? So please be mindful for your own self, not only for me and the rest of students. Now, guys, remove the blocks to the side. Tabletop position. Tuck toes under. Exhale. Hips up. We hold downward facing dog. Maybe bend the knees if you feel tight in the legs. Otherwise, press the heels down, press the hands. Look towards the navel and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pay attention. Press the right hand down. Bring the left hand outside of the calf or outside of your ankle. Twist from the belly button and look up. Try. Try, everyone. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center, left hand outside of the right ankle. Sorry, right hand outside of the left ankle. Same thing. Press with the opposite hand on the floor. Twist from the belly button. Try to look up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now rest the knees on the floor. Watch me. We will complicate for those who want more. Otherwise, same variation. It's very important that you're keeping your measurements from tabletop. Yes? If you're downward facing dog, I see someone like this. This is not your downward facing dog. Yeah, take the measurement from tabletop. Hand, elbow, hand, elbow, shoulder in one line, and knee under the pelvis. When you press, either the legs will come straight if you have enough flexibility in the hamstrings, or you will keep the knees bent. But the lengthening of the spine will be there. Even with the knees bent, you can nicely go and do. Yeah? Now, those who want more, hand to opposite ankle, and you will try to lift the other leg up. So you switch the weight to your points of contact, which is this hand and this leg. Yeah, so you will try, this time you have to look down, yeah? So you will try and, sorry, I have furniture. You will try to lift. Yes? Sorry guys, I have this furniture, it's very tricky. Yes, but essentially, we are trying to, you will do straight, okay? I have the TV there. And lift. Yes, as much as you can. This will depend on your flexibility. Yes, even if you cannot lift all the way up. Little bit. Eyes down at the center of the mat. Okay? Everyone trying. Your weight is on your 2 points of contact, which is the front hand and the back foot. Eyes down this time, guys. Don't look up. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Eyes down, Meghna. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down. Good job. And now second time. Second leg. Look at the center of the mat. Start. Keep trying. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly coming down. Very good. Come back to tabletop position. Exhale again, hips up. Bend the knees. And step or jump forward to the front of the mat with hip distance. Bend the knees, open the pelvis, and you will grab opposite elbows. Fully bend. If you can, without separating belly from your thighs, you will extend the legs fully and forward. Let's go. Lean towards the toes. Press the feet down. Belly to your thighs. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your hands down in front of you. Bend the knees, step jump, and chaturanga. Upward facing dog, inhale. Exhale, hips up. Downward facing dog. On the next inhale, right foot forward between your hands. Stay here. Strong legs. Lift up. Arms above your head. And without changing the legs, you keep the 90 degrees. You will twist from the belly button and look back. Back knee straight. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, big step forward to the front of the mat. Big step forward to the front of the mat. Now the same leg that you had behind. Yes, which is the left. Steps forward. Good. Now we shift weight to the right leg. Eyes forward. Bring the right knee up. 90 degrees. Right hand outside of the left knee. You're going to twist. Extend the arm back and look back. Fully rooting down with the right foot. Toes gripping the mat. Quads fully active. Yeah? Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Keep the leg up. Keep the left knee up. And again, we will go back. Arms up. Again, we will twist, and this time you will slide the hand a little bit. So the same arm that you had behind, you will slide towards the inside of the knee. Keep the 90 degrees and hold. You can look back or look forward. Yeah, look down to your knee if you can. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, arms up. Big step to the front of the mat. Pay attention. Now, we will shift again to the right foot. Bring the right knee up. Sorry. The left knee up, the right hand. Outside of the left foot. Yes, I catch like outside. Outside of my left foot. Yes. From here, I start looking forward. Extend one arm back for counterbalance. Kick, maybe full straight. Sorry, maybe bend, maybe full straight. If I can, keep the balance here. I start looking back and I hold. Yes? Everyone trying. Eyes forward. Fully rooting down with the right foot. 10. 9. No walls, no hand on the wall. 8. 7. Try your own balance, guys. Otherwise, you cannot build it. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Come to center. And then slowly release. One more time. Same leg. Left knee up. Right hand outside of the left foot. Look forward before you twist. And then from the belly button, start twisting. Looking back if you can. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center and release. Very good. Bring the hands down. Now we will fall. Bend from the pelvis. You can bend the knees. This time, belly to your thighs, hands behind your calves. If you can, slide the palm. Slide the palm. You press the heels on top of your palms. Bend the elbows. Yes, behind the calves. With the knees bent, you lean forward to the toes. You press the heels at the same time. Or with the legs straight fully. Yes? Let's try. Try to hug your calves with your forearms. Really behind. Press the heels on top of the palms if you're doing that variation. Press the toes. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the knees. Roll the spine all the way up. Very good. Amazing. Now we go back to downward facing dog. So one more forward bend. Hands down. Lengthen the spine, inhale. Exhale, bend the knees. Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Now, on the next inhale, left foot forward between your hands. Right leg extended, arms up. And on the exhale, twist from the belly button, look back. Keep the 90 degrees on the left leg. Pelvis lower, back leg straight. Keep looking back. Opposite pragya. 10, yes. 9, more 90 degrees. 8, 7, yes. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look forward. Right foot, step to the top of the mat. Good. Now we shift the weight to the left leg. Right knee 90 degrees. Left hand outside of the right knee. Press the hand against the knee against the hand. Twist. Look back and extend the arm for counterbalance hold. It's an active twist, guys. It's not enough with just resting the hand. I have to press against. Yes? Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Big step back with the right leg. Big step back with the right leg, guys. 90 degrees, arms up, inhale. Exhale, twist from the belly button. Slide the right hand to the left. The left hand to the right knee, guys. So sorry, I'm a bit dyslexic. And hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center, arms up. Step forward. One more time. Now again, we shift the weight to the left foot. Bring the right knee up. Catch outside of the right foot with the left hand. Kick. Stand the arm back. And try to hold. Same if the knee is bent. I press and root down. Yes? 10 seconds. Let's go. 10, 9, eyes forward. 8, 7, keep trying, Sudha, don't worry, no wall. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look forward, come to center and slowly release the leg. We try to come in and out, smooth. Yeah, if I'm coming in this way, I come out, I try. But some of you are here and then down. No. Yeah? We want to enter and exit smoothly. Now, second round. Again, lift the right knee, catch the foot. Kick forward. Look back. Good. Try to root down, press with the right foot. Left leg. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look forward and slowly release the leg. Very good. Now, watch me. We will take the blocks. Some of you might need, some of you might not need. Utkatasana chair pose. Bring the hands in prayer. From the belly button, twist, elbow outside. Yes, keep the blocks there. You will need them later, not now. Yes, I just want you to keep handy. So, Utkatasana. Bend the elbows and hands in prayer. Twist to the right side. Left elbow out outside of the right knee. And I squeeze my knees together. I press the elbow. Yes? Step 1, I keep my eyes down. Step 2, my eyes forward. Step 3, my eyes up. Yes? Let's try. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look down, stay in the pose. Shift weight to the right foot. Big step back with the left foot, and you will bring the knee down. Good. Now, the left hand outside of the right foot. Left hand outside of the right foot. I keep my 90 degrees in the front knee, pressing against my left arm. Yes? I extend the arm up, I tuck toes under, and I come into the twist. Look up if you can. Otherwise, keep your eyes down. If your hand is not reaching, same thing with the block. Twist, guys. We are pressing left arm against the right leg. Tuck the back toes under, Sonia. Extend the leg. Guys, twist from your belly button. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Pelvis lower, Pragya. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring your eyes down. Come with the knee down to the floor. Remove the block. And now downward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Bend the knees, look forward, step jump or float to the front of the mat. Now we will go, I'll show you from the other side, yes? Again we will go Utkatasana. Bend the elbows, hands in prayer. Bring the right elbow outside of the left knee, so opposite side. And we hold. Option 1, eyes down. Option 2, eyes forward. Option 3, eyes up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Eyes down. Guys, eyes down. Shift the weight to the left foot. Big step back with the right knee. Bring the knee to the floor. Now, right hand outside of the left foot, or you put the block under your hand. Extend the left arm up. Extend the leg. Twist and hold. Pelvis lower, back leg straight. Keep the 90 degrees. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pay attention. Look down first. Frame the front foot, which is the left. Exhale. Feet together, top of the mat. Feet together, top of the mat. And roll the spine. Come up to standing position. Keep the blocks either side of the mat. Yes? Now, watch me first. Feet together, guys. Very important. Knees together. Knees together means mine, they physically don't touch because of my anatomy. But when I squat, they will for sure touch. Okay? So I start with everything together. Pressing feet down, inhale. Utkatasana. Exhale. I twist like I did before. Now I will bring the hand to the block. Twist or the hand to the floor. I want to sit like in a baby chair. Yes? Shall we try? Good. 10, 9. What? Guys, hand to the floor. 8, 7, 6, 5. Sit lower. 5, 4, 3. Yes, Nidhi. 2. Arms straight. 1. Inhale, come to center. Utkatasana. Directly other side. Right elbow outside of the left knee. Keep your pelvis low, like you want to sit into a baby chair. Hand to the block or to the floor. Twist from the belly button. Lift the arm up and hold. Sit lower, Sonia. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back to center. Sit to the floor, relax for a moment. I'll show you next. Arm balance with the twist. So, now, we will sit into a low squat like this, yes? So you can come, knees first, watch me, knees together, tuck the toes. Yes, if I can, I use my balance. Otherwise, with the hands, and then I find my balance. Yes? Now, like we did now, twist from the belly button, hands down in front of you. Yes? In front of you, my knees together. Elbow to the knee, other elbow to the hip with the trick. Yes? Now, we will lean forward and try to find the balance. So, I look down, I press the hands against the fingers, try to lift here. Yes? Everyone trying. Press, engage fingers like we did in the warm-up. And 1. The head doesn't go on the floor. Okay? You can look down first. If you feel good, look forward. Okay? The hands like this. Elbow to the knee, elbow to your hip. This is a trick. Eventually, this elbow goes out. Yeah? Knees together, guys. Don't go with your knees separate. Knees together, heels together. I'm already seeing feet separate, knees separate. Start with foundation. 90 degrees when you bend the elbows. Yes, Meghna? Lean the shoulders a little bit more forward. Core engage. Yes. Good try. Shiva, no head on the floor. Leave your head. No head on the floor. We are getting it more or less. Half the group yes, half the group no. Press the knees to each other. Guys, lean weight forward to your hands, fingers engaged. Those who do the warm up. Yes, this warm up we were doing here. To engage, this warm up. This is what we are working on now. Yes, Pragya?
Can you please watch mine?
Yes,
doing it
I
wrong.
will give you one tip, guys. Wait. I will give you one tip now. Yes, those who are really struggling, like for real, nothing is lifting. No, those who are lifting and it's not polished. Those who are zero lifting, you will try now with the blocks. Yes, for a little bit of support. Blocks shoulder distance on the second setting. Start feet together, knees together, hands behind. I will lean forward, touch and lift. Yes, minimum touch, guys. Your back shoulder is gonna touch. Yes? So minimum. I have to engage the core. I have to grip with my fingers. Yes? If the weight is here and the fingers are not gripping, the fingers are the brakes that prevent you from going forward. Yeah, so whatever we practice on the warm-up, now it's getting into action. Pragya, I'm watching. Everyone start. Those who are already without blocks, don't put the blocks. Keep trying. Yes, Pragya, go. Yes, core, good. Yes, you're almost there. Keep practicing, Pragya. You're on the good path. Nidhi, lean forward. More. Yes. Core, squeeze the knees together. Almost. Nidhi, almost. Pragya, yes. Look forward to the camera. Pradnya, to the camera. Yes, good job. Who else? Yes, Arika. Medavini, almost. Lean a little bit more, engage the fingers. Sudha, come on. Meghna, core. Yes. Good. Yes, Meghna, very good. Netu, you
And
have
where we need to see exactly to
you
focus.
start looking forward. You're looking down first, and then you shift.
Okay.
So I'm starting here. Just for balance, so the brain feels good. Yeah, if I start looking like this for the beginners, it's very difficult. So I start looking here, and then I can slowly shift. Yeah.
Okay.
Now, guys, second side. Try first. Those who are trying with blocks, try first without the blocks. Maybe on the other side you're doing better. We never know. Yes, until you try. Sometimes we need assistance on one side, we don't need assistance on the other side. Really think of squeezing your core, navel in, bandhas. Yes, Netu? Lean a little bit more. Core. Lower abs. Yes. Knees together, squeezing to each other. No head on the floor, Lakshmi. No. Keep the 90 degrees.
Pretty right side is going very well and left is weaker.
If right side is going very bad, go with the blocks. Try with the blocks.
Right side is going very well.
Very well.
I can hold it also, but left side I can't hold. Just
So
going
on
and
the
coming
left
back.
side, you try with the blocks. Whatever side is not working well, blocks. Second side. Sarika, yes. Salini, yes. Keep trying, ladies. Keep trying. This is not a one-time thing. Pradnya, yes. Lakshmi, no head on the floor. No. Monica, yes. Come on. Look forward. Pragya, yes. Look forward to camera. Up. Now, are we good? Wrist rotation. Now I give you a minute for questions, if there's any, because now we will go a little bit more deeper. Any questions here?
Ma'am, I can't do that.
Say again?
I can't do that.
What do you mean you can't do? Show me. You're looking down and through. Divya, wait. You're looking, look what you're doing. First thing, already set up for failure because you're looking like this. Down and through. As if you want to look to the opposite wall. So obviously you will fall forward on your head. Best case scenario. Yeah? We look down and forward. Here. This point. In front. Yes? Try with the blocks. Second of all. Blocks here. Shoulder distance. Hands behind the blocks. Press lean. The back, you are not seeing from here. Look. The back shoulder is on the back block. Yes? Where is Divya? Try Divya. One more. Look forward. Forward in front of you towards the wall. Divya, you're looking to camera. Look down and forward. Take a rest. It's not bad. You're almost there. Just the technique. Knees together. Knees together. Your knees are separating. Make sure this is there first. Look at me. Make sure this is there first. Elbow to your hip. Elbow to your knee. Yes, engage the fingers. Look down. Bend the elbows. Almost. You are not bending the elbows enough. Maybe lack of strength. Maybe tired. Yes, take a rest. Yes, it's a lot of sweat. Take a rest. Yes, slowly. Is it the first time you're doing this? Yeah? Yes, this is challenging us first time. Yeah? This is this T-Rex. Yes? Half push-up, chaturanga. It all has the same 90 degrees. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now, guys, next one. Watch me. We are going a bit more challenging, okay? Don't be scared. Take it as playtime. Okay? Watch me. Whoop. So, same starting position. Knees together. We twist, we go. Right now, we will go head to the floor, guys, but we don't smash the neck. We only have one neck. So, you need to control the way down. Yes, those who are managing to put the head down, you're in a good spot. Now, you try to shift the toes up. If you can do this, you lift one leg. Yes, and then you come down the same way, here and back. This part is touching, guys, but it's not holding your weight. Okay? You have to keep pressing with the hands. You cannot surrender all your weight on your face because your neck will be resented. Yeah? So those who were before placing the foot there, good job. Now you already have half pass done. Yeah? Now the challenging part is to switch the hips, yes? Squeeze the core, switch the hip up. Give it a go.
So most of the weight is on the hands, right?
Yeah. In this
Feather touch
90
of the
degree,
face.
this 90-degree structure is taking the support. There is some weight here because it's placed on the floor, yes? That doesn't mean it's taking the whole weight of your body. It's just resting on the floor. Everyone trying, Sunita ji? You know, guys, this is called fallen angel. Super sweet translation. Fallen angel is called. We are all fallen angels. So we practice fallen angels. Yes, Shiva? The foot that you have on top of your leg, place it up, pointing to the sky. Internal rotation. Yes? Slowly. Good. Yes. Good job. Pragya, come back. No. Pragya, you only have one neck. You are going with the forehead and you want to put all the weight there. No, please. Side neck. You are going here. This is very dangerous for you. Side.
Ma'am,
It-
I fall on my head. Yes, ma'am, when I'm trying, I fall on my head and not able to up
You're
again.
not able to. You were stuck.
I fall on my head.
Control the way down, yes? Fingers,
Yes.
the fingers are controlling this.
Yeah, yeah.
Any other question?
Ma'am,
Yes.
please show me again how to twist that legs upside.
Yes. Guys, let's see if you can watch it closely now. So, is it close? Yes. Watch. I'm leaning back. This is the legs like we had before. Yeah, before we had the legs here. Now the only difference is the head is down. And now I'm lifting. Yes, I'm pressing the knee towards the elbow and lifting the pelvis. Once I have this, I start thinking of bringing the leg up and the other leg as well. Yes? And then I come back the same way. Trying your best, yes? We think of bringing the hip up to the sky by pressing the knee to the elbow. Guys, second side. We will do one more run, but try your second side. Yes, Shiva? Internal rotation? Yes. Medavini, one leg is coming up, but the other one is stuck. Internal rotation. So the leg that is bent, yes, you manage to bring one leg up. Yes, and the other leg is like this. Point the toes up. Internal rotation. Yeah? Everyone on the second side.
Patty, I'm surprised. Earlier, I tried 2, 3 times, but I was not able to do this way the way I'm doing today.
In other class, you mean, or earlier in the other pose?
Earlier.
Huh? And it's happening today. Something
Yeah.
clicked
Now
for you.
it's happening better every day.
Amazing.
Everything, whatever you guys are teaching in your class, in Madhav's and everyone's, it's amazing.
Thank you so much, Sonia. So happy it's helping. That means we are doing a good job.
Patty, I'm not able to lift the other side.
This happens, guys. We all have one good side, one side that is like so slow, but we still have to practice. Don't make this mistake. Both sides.
Okay.
Both sides. Yeah. Keep trying because maybe it's your non-dominant side. Yeah? Yes, Meghna? Good. Point the toes. Full straight the leg. Very good, Meghna. Internal rotation of the other leg. Right leg internal rotation. Almost. 90% accurate, Meghna. Last tiny bit. Lakshmi, that was good. You came back too fast.
Patty, I'm not able to twist my legs.
Press the knee against the elbow. When it's they don't lift by themselves. You have to apply pressure. So when you're here, you have to press this. What is this? The left leg. Yes, you have to press the left knee against to start lifting. If I try to only think of lifting the hip, it's not lifting. Yes? Shift. They are both of my knees now on my elbow and the other leg can come up. Yeah?
Patty, ma'am, one thing. It's very difficult for me to lift my legs straight in any direction because the side hurts. The side hurts. It's
The
like I
elbow-
need to.
With
Sorry?
the elbow, it's hurting.
No. When I try to lift my leg and keep it straight,
your
I
hip
can't do
opening.
that. Yeah.
How was this for you? How was this one for you? Tough?
My knees, yes, my knees are slightly bent. I couldn't like straighten this.
Yes, but it's bent, but it's quite good, huh? It's not super bent. It might be either the pelvis is not able to lift Because if the pelvis is not lifting, the leg cannot come straight.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is not completely lifting towards the ceiling.
If I'm lifting, let's say halfway here, and I try, that leg cannot come higher, no?
Hmm.
Because the pelvis is fully up. It can
Hmm.
come to the full length. It also
Yes, yes.
depends on, like some people might not be able to straighten the leg because the hamstrings are not fully lengthened.
Okay,
So
okay.
that can depend also on your hip mobility.
Hmm.
Yeah, like the full straight line. Even mine is not so perfect, you know. Like the full line is not fully there. I don't practice this every day.
Hmm.
I work
Okay, so I
just
think
for the
with my
class, but
body
it's not in my day to
awareness,
day.
I think how much I understand my body, my hamstrings are really tight. I do forward fold, but still I cannot
You
straighten.
feel them very tight, but when you show me now this twist,
It's
it doesn't
okay.
feel so tight. So maybe it's not so much the muscle that you're feeling, but your nerves.
Hmm.
If you're feeling like a tight,
Tightness. Yeah.
like tight, how do you call this? Like a string
Hmm.
tight from the beginning to the end of your leg, sometimes to the lower back. That's your nerve.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, like all of a sudden it's like blocked and nothing
Hmm.
happens. That's more
Yes.
of the nerve.
All right.
Yeah,
Okay.
sometimes what blocks our flexibility is the nerves that are stiff
Hmm.
rather than the muscle. There are two different
Okay.
things here.
So it will improve with time, with practice.
It will improve with actually, if it's the nerves, with nerve flossing and nerve slacking. So there are
Okay.
different exercise that will help with this. You can practice.
Okay.
Simple one is point and flex.
Hmm.
Literally doing like a flossing on your
Hmm.
wrist. Same. Yeah, this is
Okay.
one of the easiest one. When I have some time, guys, because my schedule is very
Sure,
packed,
sure.
I try to do like a small tutorial, maybe for
Okay.
YouTube or something on these things, because they're a big component of flexibility. A lot of people
Okay.
feel this blockage in the nerves. They think it's the flexibility of the muscle, and it's actually the nerves. Yeah, even if
Okay.
they're
Yeah.
doing right technique, being consistent, it gets block. Okay.
Ma'am, please do it a small class. I'm in. My hamstrings are too tight also.
Yes, say again. Sorry.
I'm in, what you said, like for a small class for the flexibility, please do it. I'm in.
Ah,
I'll do it.
this will be for the nerves, not for flexibility. This is for
Yeah.
the nerves, yes? So this
Yeah.
is for everyone. Doesn't matter your flexibility. This is just sometimes the nerves get blocked. Yeah, what I was trying to say is that the nerves, tight nerves, block the flexibility in so many people and they don't realize. And they are stuck in the same exercise, right technique, consistent, and it doesn't improve because of the nerves, not because of the muscle. Two different things. Yeah? One more rep, guys. One more rep. I promise round two. Yes. Now, I want to give something extra if someone wants to play. Yes, so option one, you play with the first variation, both sides. Option two, you play with the fallen angel, with the head down. Yes, so option one would be this one. Yes. Option two, this one. Yes. And option three, those, or option three is only for those who have a good balance. Otherwise, there's no point in trying because you won't be able to do it. Yeah? Because it requires the 90 degrees strength and balance already. So you will come front of the mat. This one, okay? Without the head down. You will look down and you will think of shooting your legs back. You want to go to Chaturanga. Watch. From here you shoot. Chaturanga. Yes? It's no time to think. Yes? It's like shooting in the paintball. Back. Yes? You need this momentum. This is only for those who have already some balance. Otherwise, you will be fighting and fighting. Yeah? Still, if you want to try, have fun, but don't take it on the ego. I have to unlock it today. Yeah? If you try it, Try it. I tried this before I was ready. Yeah? So, 3 variations, 3 options. Choose yours. Yes, Alini. Very good. Pragya, you need more trust in yourself, bending more the elbows. You are this close, you are not able to hold the balance because the elbows are not properly bent. But you have the strength. Go again. Netu, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Keep pressing the other knee towards the shoulder. Sorry, towards the elbow. Yes. Straighten the leg as much as you can. Point the toes. Good. Good try. Monica. It's lifting. Yes, Shiva. You want me to watch? Yes, go.
Can you show me once again from how do you jump to Chaturanga?
To Chaturanga.
Yeah.
So we don't go with the head down, okay? I hope you can see because with all my hairs, very bad choice. So you lean and look down, okay? Your eyes are here in front of you. And then lift, shoot back.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yes, it looks like magic, but we have to press with the hands, engage the core, and on the exhale, psh.
Lifting the head is little.
You know the fish in the sea who have all the fish, baby fish inside, and all of a sudden, bloom, they do like this. This poof explosion we want to think. Psh. Yeah? Psh. There's no way to explain. It's just psh, power out psh, with the legs like an arrow. Psh. Yeah?
Okay. Yep, thank you.
Good. Last 2 minutes. Someone else was asking? Salini? Someone else was asking? No. I can't hear you, Salini. You're talking? Can't hear you. It's mute. I think your volume maybe it's low.
Ma'am, now?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you check once?
Yes.
I'm
Yes.
trying.
Shiva, wait, I will come and check you. Yes, Salini, good job. Good job. Shiva? Yes. I think you need a little bit more distance from the wall to shoot. Thank you, Pragya. Guys, did we do both sides? Those who haven't done last minute, huh? Try the second side. Those who are doing the Chaturanga shooting and the other ones. Second side as well.
Betty, please see once. Sonia.
Sonia, yes. Sonia, where are you in the screen? Sonia, your camera is off. No, your camera is here. Oh my God, there's two. There's two cameras. Thank you, Netu. Let's go, Sonia. Start bringing hips up. Extend the leg. Super fast on the way down, but Sonia, you have the strength to hold longer. Now maybe you're tired already with so many reps. Guys, we did almost half an hour arm balances. Super. Half an hour. Super, Pradnya? Pradnya, you should try the shoot back to Chaturanga. Yes, almost. If you try a few more times, you get it. It's little bit.
Pragya, check please mine also, the shoot.
Thanks, Shalini. Amazing. Super happy you got this. Yes, who was talking? Someone else was talking? No? Sonia.
Sonia.
Me, Sonia. I want to show you my Chaturanga fall.
Tell me, show me. Half. You think you thought about the shooting too much. You started good, but then there was an overthinking. It has to be coming into the pose and shooting. We cannot be spending time there overthinking. But these guys, it's a matter of repetition, huh? Now, guys, one last twisting for everyone. Relaxing one, huh? No more arm balance for today. Yes? You will lay down, arms to the sides, palms facing to the floor. You will lift the legs up, cross the right knee on top of the left. Yes, keep the knees close to your chest core compression and lean towards the side, as close to your chest as possible, and you will look opposite side and hold. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Other side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Uncross the legs. Give yourself a big hug. Forehead to the knees, knees to forehead. You can rock a little bit side to side on the lower back. A little bit, Pradnya. You're gonna roll like a ball. Just a little bit. Good. Now bring the knees on the hands on the inside of the knees. Rock and roll a couple of times. And sit in a comfortable cross leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, doing the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Once again, feel the heart beating for you, keeping you alive. Appreciate the fact that you're alive, that you're living this life through a human experience, and the uniqueness that it comes with it. Take also this moment to thank yourself for showing up today with love and compassion towards yourself, towards your body, and in devotion to your practice. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Let's finish chanting one Om, 3 Shantis. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Wrap the palms, bring all the energy towards the palms of your hands. Place them to cover your eyes. Blink the eyes open. Allow the light to enter your eyes through your eyes. Slide the palms on your face. Do a beautiful smile. Namaste.
Thank you so much, Patty. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Super, super class. I hope you have fun. And I'll see you tomorrow, 10:30. Yes?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye-bye.